In this tutorial, we'll explore the Attach to Hand feature in SimLab Composer, designed specifically for enhancing hand tracking interactions in VR. This feature allows objects to be attached to specific parts of the hand when certain events occur, adding a new level of realism to your VR experiences. We'll demonstrate this by showing how to attach a syringe to the hand when the hand enters the syringe, creating a more immersive and interactive VR environment. Now let's begin. First, open your project in SimLab Composer, then open the Training Builder. Then, from the Events section, click on Hand Enter Node. Then in the Scene Node Input, attach the model that the hand will enter. Then, in the Hand Input, click on it to open the Hand Part selector. In this case, select the middle finger to specify that the syringe will attach to the middle finger when the hand enters the model. Then, from the Responses section, click on Attach to Hand. Then, connect the hand input to the hand output from the Hand Enter Node event to ensure the syringe attaches to the same part of the hand that entered the model. In the Scene Node Input, attach the syringe model. Now let's test it.